Hi everyone. GM. Welcome to SheOnChain opening ceremony. I'm very much excited to meet all of you here. So before starting about SheOnChain, can you guys write in the chat section how much excited you are? I want to show all of your excitement in the chat section. Let's write something cool. Like you can write GM, you can write very much excited, whatsoever you want. Then we will gradually move to our opening ceremony. We'll talk about what is She on Chain, what we guys are planning for all of you. Awesome. I can see multiple people are excited. OP 10 on 10. Nice. GM, everyone. Okay, so along with me, we have Shreya and Anshika. If you guys introduce yourself to our lovely audience, that would be awesome.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm Shreya. I'm the president of AssetMerkle and I have with me Anshika.
Hello everyone. So I am Anshika Agarwal, the Vice President of AssetMerkle, and I'm so excited for this bootcamp and hopefully we will be ending with some amazing projects.
That's great. That's great. So let me introduce myself. I am Sahitya. I'm working as DevRel at Ryzen. So it's been like 3 years. I'm into the community and DevRel field, and this is the first time we're doing something for female candidates who wants to build their career in Web3. So that's why Ryzen, in collaboration with AssetMerkle, IGDTUW, is going to conduct this She on Chain, a 30 days long boot camp for all of you. And it's completely free of cost, right? So let's get started with the small presentation. Let me just put it on the stage. Yes, I believe my screen is visible to all of you, right? Awesome. So yeah, welcome to She on Chain, everyone. And another question for all of you. Can you please write where are you from? You can write your city name or anything whatsoever you want, like your city name or your state, anything. I want to know like how diverse crowd we have. I'm looking into the chat section right now. Delhi, okay. Okay, let me just present in front of all of you. Noida people are there. Lucknow people, nice. Chennai, Kolkata. Awesome. I'm in Kolkata right now. Bengal, yes. Chhattisgarh. Okay, some people are from Turkey, UP, Maharashtra, again Delhi. So many people are there. Like, I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Okay. Okay, Bihar. We have people from Bihar as well. Amazing. Cool. Let's move into the next slide. So this is our whole agenda. Like at first, we'll talk about what is she on chain, why we're doing this, and then we'll talk about who are we, what we do, like what is Ryzen, what is AssetMerkle. We'll give them a proper introduction, and at the end, uh, why we are here, what kind of thing we'll be getting out of it, right? And we'll talk about the syllabus, we'll talk about the schedule, and at the end, perks and Q&A round, right? You can ask whatsoever you want to our panel. Okay, so what the hell is She on Chain? So it's a month-long program to empower women in tech. So this is kind of a 30-day long program. We'll be starting from scratch. Like let's say if you don't know anything about blockchain, we'll be starting from JavaScript front end, then basic of blockchain, and then basic of cryptography, cryptonomics as well, and then we'll be going to smart contract, and at the end we'll build an end-to-end project, right? We'll be building two projects together, and there will be assignment for all of you as well. So you have to complete that particular assignment. Assignment is nothing but it's just a random project. You can build anything on chain. It's kind of a chain agnostic, so you don't have to worry about chain specific things. Like If you want to build on Ethereum, you can. If you want to build on XYZ chain, go on and build. So we want people to learn and build something on chain. That's our main motto, right? And the main point is why we are doing this. So as a me in the Web3 space from 1 to 2 years, when I'm going to any kind of hackathon, it's like only 5 or 6 or maybe 10% female hackers are there. It's kind of like male dominating things happening in the Web3 industry. So this is kind of strange for us. That's why we're doing this initiative to adopt more females into the Web3 ecosystem. That's our main target. And second thing is obviously like community building, career opportunities. Like there are lots of career opportunities are there for in the Web3 industry right now. Like we have some amazing partner who will give you career advice as well. Like give you like they will give them like how you can get good internship or job opportunities as well. We have hiring partners as well. Also, there are lots of bounties opportunities are there in the Web3 world. Like people don't know about bounty things in a Web3. So we will have some multiple opportunities for all of you. Like recently, we distributed around 250K dollar with EduChain team. We distribute around $20,000 with Agoric team. So lots of bounties are there. You can just go and grab this bounty for yourself as well. So we'll share this with all of you. It will be kind of a niche community between AssetMerkle, Ryzen, and you guys. Okay. And what you can expect is there will be no point of shilling things. So that will be like pure learning. So live workshops will be there, tactical learning oriented things will be there, and community support. We will get multiple support from Ryzen DevRel team, AssetMerkle team, and also we'll be bringing some good Web3 people into the live session as well. So you can just talk, you can ask your doubt, and you can build your career into the Web3. Now it's kind of who are we? So let me just go to the next slide. Yeah, so I guess Ankit is joined. So I would like Ankit to take over the session and talk about what is Ryzen with our audience.
Hey guys, hope you guys can hear me. Super excited to be here. Thanks a lot for joining in on a Saturday, and I'm really excited about the current bootcamp that we are doing. Thanks to Sahitya and AssetMerkle team for putting this together. So yeah, about us, we are Ryzen. I'm head of growth at Ryzen. A little bit of intro about me. I've never been to college. I started working, and have been working at a lot of early stage startups, and now building the biggest Web3 developer community across the world, alongside Sahitya, Chintan, and others in the team. So yeah, we have close to over 200,000 developers, Web2 developers across Turkey, India, US, and more than 1,000 Web3 developers in the community. And we work with the best blockchains in Web3. Close to $300,000 have been generated by our members in earnings, etc. And we have hosted more than 200 events across the globe. Yeah, and like I said, we work with the best blockchain in the industry: Solana, Aptos, Stellar, Sui, Open Campus, Internet Computer, etc. And we will continue working with more and more blockchains to bring this to people like you. So why a career in Web3? A lot of people ask, why should I build a career in Web3? So the logic that I give is, Web3 is pretty new. It is very, very nascent right now. It's just been like 15 years since, let's say 17 years when Bitcoin was when the first Bitcoin was mined. And if you want to make the most of this opportunity, you should get into Web3. And 10 years down the line, it will be very huge, similar to what AI is today. I'm sure everyone knows ChatGPT. The foundation of AI was kind of set, very, very way back in 1956. and now we are seeing a mass adoption. Similarly with Web3, and we are also seeing a lot of Web3 plus AI use cases in the industry. So this is already growing. So if you want to make the most of it, just come join us and make the most of it. So we have a lot of success stories. So these guys are from Vietnam. They joined us in EDUchain Hacker House in Bangkok in November, and they won $400 as the prize in the hackathon. We have more success stories on the next slide. So yeah, this is Vaibhav, who went to US on our scholarship to participate in Consensus US hackathon, and he won like $10,000 there. We have few more. Yeah, this is good sub and team, and they again in the Hacker House they won $400 in the EduChain Hacker House. This is an interesting project, and they were a part of Agoric Hacker House in Bangalore, and they won like $3,000, from our community. Uh, so yeah, and there are a lot more bigger success stories that we have, and I think you guys can also be a part of this success story by joining the Telegram community. We have, I think, over close to 3,000 members there right now, and we want to grow this pretty quickly. So yeah, that's about Triton. Yeah, over to you guys. Thanks for joining in.
Okay, guys. Hi, all. Um, Saitya, you were saying something, or shall I continue?
Yeah, yeah, go on.
Okay. So, hi, guys, to all those who have joined just now. Hi, I'm Shreya. I am the president of AssetMerkle. What is AssetMerkle and why are we here? We'll see about that in a minute. So, AssetMerkle is the first Web3 and blockchain society of IGDTUW. We are the women centric community aiming on organizing various events, hackathons, workshops, hands on events, and whatnot. We have organized many events. Sahitya, next slide. We have organized many events in the past. One of which is the BFF hackathon, Build for Future hackathon, which was the most successful one, with over 400 participants throughout coming from throughout the North India. It was a big one. Then we also organized workshop on Fleek deploy, graph protocol. There were mentorship cohorts as well, and this was all in the past, but now we are all here for the SheOnChain bootcamp, and I think it's going to be a banger. All we want from you guys is to stay consistent, and that's it. And then at the end of this bootcamp, you guys will definitely have a dApp to flaunt. Trust me, guys, all you have to do is stay consistent, and that's all. Rest, leave everything upon us. All the best.
Yeah, Anshika, I guess you can go on.
Yeah, so for this bootcamp, we have our partners, which are Web3preneur and GDG group of RCCIIT, Gurugram University, and Web3 Mathura University, and 99th floor. Next slide. And we also have our hiring partner, about which you'll get to know. This is some amazing thing which we'll be telling when I'll be telling you about the perks. Yeah, next slide. So now let's deep dive into the cohort platform. How will things go? What will be the syllabus and everything? So let's see. And the timelines as well.
Awesome. So, yeah, let's deep dive into the platform that we are using. I hope all of you registered to the Ryzen platform. Now, might be it will look bit confusing for all of you, but it's pretty simple. So let me just turn off the presentation and let me share the another screen with all of you. Uh, Screen. Let me just share the tab. Awesome. I hope all of you can see my screen. So this is the dashboard will look like for all of you. So this is the welcome page, right? And over here in the left hand side, you will see all the content and everything will be there. So starting from Web3 fundamental and introduction to Solidity, we have predefined scores for all of you. So before coming to the workshop, if you wanna go through what is Web3, if you want to learn what is blockchain, then you can just go and check out this particular video lectures, and you can complete the assignment as well. But you have to follow some steps to unlock this particular thing. Currently you can see this screen is locked because you have to follow certain steps, like you have to follow you know this channel so that you can just go and complete everything. So all of you have to complete this thing. So whenever you are completing things, it will be like green tick, green tick, green tick. So that's the thing, everything will be listed on this particular cohort. Another thing is the update section. So if you go to the update section, you will find all the updates, all the notification from our end. You can see all the email reminders, everything will be there. And the events button, um, right now we can't see any events, but I guess, yeah, you can see this opening ceremony is scheduled for today, right? And everything will be scheduled in this particular event section, and all of you will receive one calendar invitation from our end regarding all the workshops. And in the member section, you can just go and you can see how many of like how many people are registered in this particular cohort. You can have interaction and everything, and also you can invite your friends as well. The most interesting part of this particular cohort is every workshop will be recorded. Like all the workshop will be on Google Meet, and it will be recorded and add in this particular dashboard. So if you missed any kind of if you miss any kind of workshop, you can just go and go to your cohort dashboard, and you can watch the videos, right? So this is uh, the cohort demonstration. Let me get back to the slide again. Awesome. And also there will be some tracking your progress section as well. You will see some leaderboard section, some XPs will be there. So if you complete certain tasks, you will get certain XPs as well. And you can see the leaderboard, and you can be in the top, and you can get some rewards as well, right? Okay, moving to the next slide. Okay, and now the main important point is like the communication platform, right? So we are using WhatsApp for our communication. So let me just share the link in the chat section as well, so you guys can just click and join this particular WhatsApp. So you can see in this WhatsApp group there will be two channels. One is announcement, one is general. So in the general channel we will be discussing random stuffs, and I will create another channel called doubt solving. So if you have any kind of doubt, go to the doubt channel, ask directly to our developer teams, right? And the chat section, you can talk random stuffs, like you can talk about your career, you can talk about anything whatsoever you want that is happening in the Web3 industry. And in the announcement section, you will get all the announcement related official notification in the announcement channel. Cool. So this is the platform look like. So I already give you the overview about two channel, like the general and the announcement. So if you're not into the WhatsApp group, please join. You can just scan this particular thing, or I shared the link in the chat section. You can just click and join into the WhatsApp community. And also in the mail, if you search Ryzen SheOnChain into your email box, you will find the WhatsApp group link as well into your email. Awesome. Now, let's see the path to start your blockchain journey. So it will be like a 30-day long journey for all of you, starting from today till 26th of February. So it's kind of a 30-day long period, and you can take a snapshot of it, right? So starting with today, like it's kickoff session, and from 27th we have our first session. On 30 we have another session, and multiple sessions are lined up. You can have a snapshot of it. And also you will get the schedule on into your dashboard as well. If you open your dashboard, you will see a schedule option. Click on it and you can see the timetable and everything, right? And also I believe all of you received the email invitation into your email address as well. So this is like a total 10 session. like including hands-on workshop, including project building, including doubt solving. So multiple stuffs will be there, right? And if you want to see the syllabus of this particular bootcamp, again go to the cohort section. You will find the title of the workshop and everything. Awesome. Now, what will you gain at the end? Yeah, go on, guys, and you can share like what kind of things people will be getting out of it.
Yeah, so how many of you think that you'll just be getting a project? Or can someone guess that what all you'll be getting other than the amazing project which you'll showcase in your resume? Any wild guesses? Maybe a pizza? No one?
I want to pizza.
Okay, certificate. Yeah, so new skills, definitely, definitely. Money. Yeah, maybe. Internship. Okay, nice guess, Anshada. Okay, so next slide, Saitya. Yeah, so first of all, who doesn't want a certificate that you can showcase on your LinkedIn or your Twitter? And that can also add up to your proof of work, which you can show to recruiters that you have actually gained some skills from here. So the person who said certificate is absolutely correct. So first one is the certificate. And next slide. Next, the top 20 projects will get swags. So if we feel that your project has something really cool, something really amazing, then you will be eligible for our swags. Next slide. Also, so who just wants swags and not a party? So we have something really amazing, which is that the top 20 people, according to that leaderboard which Saitya just showed, will get a graduation party. So, are you ready for some amazing music, dance, and meeting Web3 folks as well? And the last one, which is bounty and internship job opportunities. So, as I told that we have a TRJ as our hiring partner. So, if we feel that your project or your skill set matches with their requirements, then definitely you can apply for their job opportunities, and then you might land up an internship through this bootcamp. Next slide. Yeah. So now, Saitya, would you like to take this up?
Awesome. Yeah. Thank you,
Just a
Anshika.
minute. Also, if anyone wants to join the AssetMerkle community, I am dropping the link in chat. You all can join that too. We organize a lot of sessions, and we also have Twitter spaces, so you can definitely join and learn more about Web3 through that. Yeah. Saitya, continue.
Awesome. So yeah, welcome on board everyone to SheOnChain, and there will be certain things, right? So all of we are into the community right now, so you have to maintain certain decorum. Don't message personally to anyone. So this will be the first thing. If you want to ask anything, go and ask in the group directly, and then you can personally connect. But rather than that, don't randomly message anyone, because everyone having their own privacy and everything. And yeah, maintain certain decorums, like do not use abuse language and everything. Just be professional, be friendly, and everything is all yours. Yeah, so final details. So in between the cohort, you will get some feedback as well. So don't forget to give feedbacks. That should be real. It's not like you are giving five or one like randomly. You should be, very much cautious when you are giving any kind of feedback to us. And because we all are very much excited about your feedback. We like really appreciate whenever you are writing something to Ryzen, whenever you are writing something for Web3 in general. We try to improve our community with your feedback, so it's very important for us. And also now you can share onto your resume that you are a part of SheOnChain, and you can write Ryzen as your school, or you can mention anything that you are learning blockchain, you are learning something from Ryzen team. And also all of you received this particular cute graphics, I believe, in your email. If you're not, go to your email, you can find this graphics into your email as well. Take a snapshot of it. You can post it into your Twitter. You can tag us. You can post it on LinkedIn. You don't forget to tag us in every social media platform. You can find AssetMerkle team and Ryzen team in every social media platform. Just tag us. We will love to comment. We'll love to repost your tweets. And yeah, it's time for Q&A, folks. So before the Q&A, let me just give you some sort of analogy. Like, first thing is, if you missed any kind of session, everything will be listed on a YouTube, playlist, and it will be updated into our cohort platform. So let's say you missed any kind of session, don't worry, you will get the recordings day after the session. Second thing is, don't forget to post that you are selected for SheOnChain program, 30-day bootcamp, and you are learning uh, like Web3 from Ryzen team and AssetMerkle team. And make sure throughout the whole session you are very much active, you are very much interactive, right? Because it's a YouTube live, so we are not able to interact with all of you. But next session, next workshop will be on Google Meet. So you can turn on your camera, you can turn on your mic, and you can interact with our team, right? So yeah, that's it from my end, and now we are open for Q&A. We are open for Q&A. Any one of you wanna have any question?
I think there are questions and comments. So the first question which
Yes.
I saw was that what all skills do you want to be in the, which are required for being in this bootcamp? So I think a bit of front end web development would work, and also for first thing is that you need to have a desire to learn Web3, and secondly, consistency is all we need because we will be starting from the very basics. So you're all sorted if you follow the bootcamp and whatever the mentor tells you to do. So technically, the prerequisites for the bootcamp is a bit of front-end development, HTML, CSS, JS, though they'll be taken up in a session, but still, if you are aware of them, it would be really great for you. Yeah.
Yeah, there is another question. What is the syllabus of bootcamp? So syllabus is pretty simple. So day one will consist of basic of blockchain. Day two will consist of JavaScript and React, like the front end things. Third session will consist of your cryptonomics, layer one, layer two stuffs, and the core architecture of blockchain. Third session will consist of your, basic of solidity, basic of smart contract. Fourth session we will discuss about building a whole smart contract, and fifth, sixth, seventh session will be like building full stack application, full stack decentralized application using Solidity and React, and there will be
And
doubt session
guys,
as well.
all of this will be given to you, will be visible to you on your dashboard, and we'll also be sharing this in the WhatsApp community. So don't worry of noting it down. Just get a quick hint from here, and rest will be provided to you.
Sneha has written, if someone doesn't have any coding knowledge, can they become better till the end? Sneha, I would recommend that start up a few things, like start with basic HTML, and then you'll definitely become better in the end because you'll be making a full fledged project. But yes, you'll have to devote a bit more time because you have no coding knowledge. So thoda sa time to lagega, but I'm sure you won't be disappointed with the results at the end.
There is a funny question I can see. Is there any marks for attendees? Attendance, I guess. So we are not running any kind of school. So it's not like you have to attend this particular class to be in your semester two, right? It's not like this. It's on you, folks. If you want to learn something really, if you want to get good bounty from Web3, then you have to attend all of your class. It's not like mandatory from our end. Yes, you have to attend this. You have to maintain 75% attendance. uh, how to S in leaderboard? contribute in the Ryzen website, do multiple courses, learn, build, and complete the assignment, it will be on the leaderboard automatically. How to see the dashboard. So log in with your personal email ID. After logging into your Ryzen platform, you will see a dashboard option into the nav part. You can just go to nav, click on dashboard, and you will see all the course material and everything. Or else you can click on SheOnChain link and it will open your dashboard directly. Uh, Another question from Ananya. Will the lectures be available to us even after the bootcamp ends? Yes, it will be. Because we'll create a playlist on YouTube. So after that, you can also access it. What if someone has knowledge of HTML but not CSS? Will it cause a problem? Anyone wants to go ahead? Shreya and Shika, you want to go ahead?
Uh, I don't think that will be a problem, but you can learn CSS in like the basics in 2 to 3 days, so that won't be a problem.
Okay, I can see Aryan. Hi Aryan, how are you? So any technical question, anything? Aryan is here.
I can see
So Aryan is one
Aryan.
of your
Hi, Aryan. How are you?
Aryan.
So, any technical question, anything? Aryan is here. I can see
Aryan is
Aryan.
one of your.
Hi.
Wait, yeah, sorry. Actually, am I audible?
Yes, you are, but it's bit going
Hello.
right now. I guess now it's
Okay.
fixed. Yeah. Yeah. Now, if you have any kind of doubt,
Yeah, I can't.
I guess Aryan is facing some technical, glitches. It's like echoing from your end. Uh, in the meantime, Bhupendra is also joined. Um, so, any technical question or anything related to bootcamp, you can directly ask. We're happy to answer your doubts and everything. Any question, anything you wanna ask, you wanna share. Let's go with one question from my end. How many of you build your smart contract till now? Anyone here who built anything on top of Solidity or anything on top of blockchain? Yes, no. You can write yes or no in the chat section. No. Okay. I want more answer right now. Around 40 people are there into the live stream. So no, no. Okay. I had built a smart contract in first year and own a Ryzen T-shirt in first year. Okay, awesome. Yeah, the assignment from the Solidity Foundation course, nice. I built earlier for Solidity. Okay, few people are aware about Solidity and blockchain, and majority people, like 90% people, I can see they're pretty new into the Web3 ecosystem. Awesome. I guess we can end this particular session. Any last note from you folks? Then we can just end up with the call. Anything?
Hi guys, one last question from my side. How many of you promise to stay with us till the end? Show your favorite emojis in the chat, and
This is very
please guys stay
important.
with us.
This is very important because it's kind of 30-day long. We planned everything for all of you. Like we planned graduation ceremony, we planned certificate, swags, everything for all of you. We need your support.
I personally am very excited for the graduation ceremony.
Same, plus that internship opportunity as well.
Okay,
Yes.
guys,
Yeah,
that's so
we
cool.
have a dedicated partner for internship as well. So you must be happy. We just need your resume, we just need your project, and TRG team will be taking care of it. Awesome. People are crazy into the chat right now. Awesome. Yeah, last note from my end is don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you can get all the notification and update. And don't forget to join the WhatsApp community to get all the notification, all the announcement. Yeah, that's it from my end. Anything else from your side? And then we can just wrap this particular thing.
If anyone is going to post anything on any social, do tag Ryzen and AssetMerkle.
Cool. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining. We are looking for another session. Like the first session will be on 27th, like day after tomorrow. So be ready with your enthusiasm, be ready with your doubts, be ready with your questions so that you can just ping your mentor and ask your question, right? Ask your doubt. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you, guys. See you. Bye bye.